Guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I decided to bring back my vlogs, and if you're an OG, you would know what vlogs I'm talking about.
He fucking that shit up. Oh.
Smiley, where's your phone?
Die feit is in Marikkennis is man.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring back the vlogs, but it's gonna be a little bit different considering that my school is now a cell phone free company.
Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
So, I won't be able to vlog a lot at school, but where I will be vlogging is in the month of May. We have a lot of sports weekends, and most of them are away, so I'll be vlogging them, and yeah, but for now, in celebration of the vlogs coming back, here's like a cute little compilation of like the funny moments throughout last year and this year so far, so stay tuned.
En
Ons gaan nou na Corina se klas toe. Ons is nou eers by ons registerklas. Ek dink julle verstaan hoe ek hierdie klas haat nie. Like
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on.
hoe jy gedoen met Beo? Guys, that's like 'n nertjie skill is om vrot te gaan in my sak en ek refuse om dit uit te haal.
What the
Julle Lisa. Hoe the fuck sê ze even nog dat?
Baie geïrriteerd, want hoekom neem ons nou weer as 'n confrontation weer. Hoe lank vandag het ek al hoeveel keer vir jou gevra vir lippe goed doen?
Ek het nie.
Maak op jou sak. Dan was ek gaan verby daai moerse pot by Celine in jou sak.
O.
Goal shooter, goal attack, both gotta play. I'm so proud. Kosa is brakke.
Fuck my baby day. Fuck my baby day.
Hoe is hy nou? Jou tyd is goed. Oh.
Yay! Drunk away!
We beat all night.
You guys, ons is letterlik in die platteland van die plattelandse lande.
Hier is skars water of modder.
Absolutely disgusting, by the way. I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
Huis is die gebou waar oud gemaak word. Go.
Guys, ek wil gaan die water en miskien was dit my sonde net. Ja. Ek wil skoon. Dis wat nie was nie, dan nog van die water gebruik.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, and maybe not the next month. But only one thing is true: I will be champion one day.
Okay, guys. So today we're having karatam. Don't run! Murife! La mis Carla Uber. Mensen willen stappen.
Oh nee, ek nee. Jo guys. Nou nie.
Naans, telite, naans, hoe kuile, naans, nee, naans,
Weer van vooraf sonder om dak. Binne.
naant, telite, naant, o groot.
Wat jy gemis? Hoeveel skoppe? Moenie lag nie, wees ernstig. Hoeveel skoppe het jy oor? Uit hoeveel?